This is a continuation of third module, customer perception of quality. Before making a major purchase, some people check consumer magazines that rate product quality. During the period 1980 to 1988, the quality of the product and its performance ranked first, price was second, and service was third. During the period 1989 to 1992, product quality remained the most important factor, but service ranked above price in importance. An American Society for Quality ASQ survey on end user perceptions of important factors that influenced purchases showed the following ranking. First one was performance, second was features, third was service, fourth was warranty, fifth was price, sixth was reputation. Performance. Performance involves fitness for use. It is a phrase that indicates that the product and service is ready for the customer's use at the time of sale. Other considerations are as follows: availability, which is the probability that a product will operate when needed; reliability, which is freedom from failure over time; maintainability, which is the ease of keeping the product operable. Features. Identifiable features or attributes of a product or service are psychological, time oriented, contractual, ethical, and technological. Features are secondary characteristics of the product or service. For example, the primary function of an automobile is transportation, whereas a car stereo system is a feature of an automobile. Service. An emphasis on customer service is emerging as a method for organizations to give the customer added value. However, customer service is an intangible, that is, it is made up of many small things, all geared to changing the customer's perception. Intangible characteristics are those traits that are, though not quantifiable, yet contribute greatly to customer satisfaction. Providing excellent customer service is different from and more difficult to achieve than excellent product quality. Organizations that emphasize service never stop looking for and finding ways to serve their customers better, even if their customers are not complaining. Warranty. A product warranty represents the organization's public promise of a quality product backed up by a guarantee of customer satisfaction. Ideally, it is also represents a public commitment to guarantee a level of service sufficient to satisfy the customer. A warranty forces the organization to focus on the customer's definition of product and service quality. A warranty generates feedback by providing information on the product and service quality. It also forces the organization to develop a corrective action system. Finally, a warranty builds marketing muscle. The warranty encourages customers to buy a service by reducing the risk of the purchase decision, and it generates more sales from existing customers by enhancing loyalty. Price. Today's customer is willing to pay a higher price to obtain value. Customers are constantly evaluating one organization's products and services against those of its competitors to determine who provides the greatest value. However, in our highly competitive environment, each customer's concept of value is continually changing. Ongoing efforts should be made by everyone having contact with customers to identify, verify, and update each customer's perception of value in relation to each product and service. Reputation. Total customer satisfaction is based on the entire experience with the organization, not just the product. Customers are willing to pay a premium for a known or trusted brand name and often become customers for life. Because it costs 5 times as much to win a new customer as it does to keep an existing one, customer retention is an important economic strategy for any organization. Investment in customer retention can be a more effective bottom line approach than concentrating on lowering operational costs. An effective marketing retention strategy is achieved through using feedback form information collecting tools.